Hey guys, welcome to Zach
and Ben.
And today we're buying the crazy futuristic minigun in Giant Survival. Let's get started. We have now equipped it because you saw the clip of us buying it for 5k Robux. Way too much money. So let's do a fire.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, this gun's insane. And look at the health going down so fast.
And look at the money. Watch how the millions go up so fast. Look,
And
we already did it. That was easy. Okay, so now we have a giant knight that we're going to fight, and we're going to do a time clock of how fast it takes to beat him. And let's go. The max amount of money it gives you is 16,504. That's what, at least what I read. Uh-oh, incoming giant.
Yeah! No, die. You deserve to die.
Well, how nice is that, Ben? Well, you said he wanted to die, even though he's already a ghost. And aren't they dead? The ghost is almost dead, but so am I. Okay, we're gonna do a fire test just to show you how crazy this is. So it shoots very fast and very far. I can hit the top of the map. Yeah, so this is the regular minigun. It's only giving us $15 to $29. But let's try the high-tech, crazy, futuristic minigun. Oh no. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Let's just say it's about like 1 billion times better than the regular minigun. I think that's how to put it. Uh-oh. Why is he chasing us? I don't want to be chased. Uh-oh. Why is he chasing us? I don't want to be chased. Having a little trouble there, buddy? Okay, we killed that, and that'll be it for today. Let's head to the outro. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I did. Just saying, if you have 5,000 Robux, this is the gun to get. Oh, and last thing, since I see this guy with the minigun, let's see the comparison.